So if you're looking at these Kasa three-way smart switches, you may have noticed that there is a version 1 and a version 2. And the question might be, what's the difference and which should you get? The simple answer, the too long didn't read, is get the version 2. The fact is that the version 2 is designed to simplify the installation and make it easier for you. With the version 1, you've got extra wires, extra terminals. Here you see that these are both the same. These are the main switch, not the satellite switch. You can see there's 3 places to connect here. There's only 2 to connect on the version 2. And then you've got 3 wires here and 2 wires on the version 1. The version 2 also is set up with an LED so that if you do happen to install it incorrectly, that LED will light up to let you know that this isn't going to work. So that's pretty awesome. So basically the difference is in version 2, they went out of their way to make it much easier to install, much less confusing. You're still going to deal with figure out the traveler, figure out the line, figure out the load. You're going to have to do those things, but it'll be much more easy to do with the version 2. But otherwise they function and look exactly the same. So if you're an electrician or a whiz at home wiring and you can get a great deal on the V1, no reason not to go for it. The functions are the same. However, if you're like me and you're doing it yourself with a limited amount of knowledge and are just hoping to make the installation as simple as possible, go with the V2. You'll be glad you did. I hope this helps.